So question 7 has a little bit different formula here. So the formula for calculating present value of an investment is PV equals then FV divided by 1 plus R raised to the nth power, where PV stands for present value, FV stands for the future value, R is the interest rate per period. A lot of times R is going to be this, it's going to actually be like R over N based on the number of times being compounded. And then the total number of periods in is actually going to be like N times T. So keep that in mind. They kind of modify it there that you have to know the total number of times it's going to be compounded, if you will. So our question is, use the present value formula to calculate the amount of money that must be invested at 6% annually, compounded quarterly, to obtain $3,500 in 6 years. So this is not a bad example here. So we want to know what we need now, the present value, where the future value is going to be the 3,500. So future value there. And then we have this 1 plus R. But notice how R is actually R over N. So we need to know the rate of interest, which is 6%, and it's compounded quarterly. So R is actually going to be this 6% divided by 4. So it's going to be actually our new rate of interest. So if we go ahead and do that math here, 0.06 divided by 4, that gives us 0.015 there. So it's our new rate of interest since we're compounding 4 times a year. And then this is raised to N, but N is the number of times compounded altogether. That's going to be N times T. So N was, we're doing it 4 times a year, quarterly, and we're doing it for 6 years. 4 times 6 would be then 24. So this is going to be raised to the power of 24. So if we do this math here, so we have, I'll clear this off here, 3,500. If we divide that by, then in parentheses, 1 plus this 0.05, 0.015. Then if I raise that to the 24th power, that'll tell me what my present value should be. So I should get an answer smaller than 3,500. So it looks like they're saying to the nearest cent, I need to start with $2,448.40. So if I have that kind of money now, then in 6 years, I would have then $3,500. So notice how that's kind of a slow boat. Most of us do not want to wait that long to make money. But, this is where investors keep that in mind. They have their money in several different pots, so they have access to different pots at different times. So you kind of stagger your pots and let your money become available to you so you don't have to wait 6 whole years to start accessing these investments. So again, checking out investments, again, you could read magazines or watch videos or actually take some good classes here at the college to understand a little bit more about investment strategies. So I need $2,048.40 now to have then $3,500 in the future based on these figures here, 6% annually, compounded quarterly, and then doing it for 6 years.